You've been there before, halfway through your shopping, only to realize you've forgotten half the ingredients you needed. Or worse, you bought everything, but it's not exactly healthy. What if AI could build the perfect grocery list for you? One that fits your diet, ensures balanced meals, and even saves you time and money. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI to create personalized, healthy grocery lists that make sticking to your diet easier than ever. Whether you're low carb, vegan, or just looking for a balanced meal plan, AI has you covered. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly generate a grocery list that fits your goals, saves you time, and takes the stress out of meal planning. Let's dive in. Let's face it, planning meals and creating grocery lists manually is a hassle. Maybe you've used apps before, or maybe you've written your lists by hand. But how often do you end up forgetting something? Or worse, how many times do you walk into the store without a clear plan and just grab whatever looks good? It's easy to forget key ingredients, or you might get sidetracked and end up buying things you didn't plan for, especially if you're trying to stick to a specific diet, like low carb, vegan, or high protein. And sticking to a healthy meal plan can be even harder when you're juggling different nutritional goals. It's one thing to plan meals, but another to make sure that you've got everything you need for the week. We've all been there, realizing halfway through cooking the meal that you're missing an essential ingredient. But what if you could avoid all this with just a little help from AI? AI can generate a perfectly tailored grocery list in seconds based on your dietary preferences and health goals. It does the heavy lifting for you so you can focus on what matters: sticking to your diet, saving time, and enjoying your meals. Now let's talk about how AI can make your life easier by creating a healthy grocery list based on your exact needs. Here's how it works. Step 1. Start by telling the AI what kind of meals you're looking for. Are you following a specific diet, like low carb, vegan, or high protein? Or maybe you're just trying to eat healthier in general. The AI will take your preferences and begin generating meal ideas that fit your goals. Step 2. The AI will suggest meal ideas that match your diet. You don't have to worry about what's for dinner. It's all planned for you. Step 3. The AI turns these meal ideas into a grocery list. All the ingredients you need, in the right quantities, are compiled into a simple list. Step 4. You can customize your list. Need more servings? Swapping out ingredients. The AI adjusts everything for you. It's like having a personal assistant for meal planning. And just like that, you've got a healthy, balanced grocery list tailored to your diet and lifestyle. Now that you've got your grocery list, here's where the magic really happens: personalizing it to fit your exact needs. With just a few simple tweaks, you can make sure the list fits your lifestyle, your budget, and any specific dietary restrictions. Let's say you're trying to stick to a budget. The AI can suggest cheaper alternatives for certain ingredients, like swapping organic items for regular ones, or replacing fresh produce with frozen options. Just ask the AI to find cost-effective options, and it will make adjustments to save you money without compromising on nutrition. If you're cooking for a family, or even meal prepping for the week, you can easily adjust serving sizes. Just tell the AI how many people you're cooking for, and it will adjust the quantities for each ingredient. Now you've got everything you need, whether you're cooking for 2 or feeding a family of 4. The AI can also handle dietary restrictions. Whether you're avoiding gluten, cutting out dairy, or looking for plant-based alternatives, the AI will help you swap out ingredients and make sure the meals still meet your goals. It's all about giving you control over your grocery list while still letting the AI do the heavy lifting. With these simple adjustments, your grocery list is now fully customized to fit your budget, your diet, and your preferences. One of the biggest advantages of having an AI-generated grocery list is how much easier it makes meal prepping. When everything is planned out, you can prep meals for an entire week in one go, saving time, reducing food waste, and helping you stick to your health goals. Meal prepping is a great way to ensure that you're eating healthy, balanced meals, even on busy days. With your personalized grocery list in hand, you'll have exactly what you need to get started. Let's say you want to meal prep lunches for the week. The AI has already generated a grocery list for meals like grilled chicken with roasted vegetables or a quinoa salad with chickpeas. You can spend just an hour or two prepping these meals and you're set for the week. No more last-minute takeout or unhealthy choices. Meal prepping with AI isn't just about saving time. It helps you stay consistent with your diet and reduces food waste. You'll have everything portioned out and ready to go, so you're less likely to stray from your plan. Plus, by having a clear plan, you'll avoid buying items that go unused. Everything on your AI-generated list is tied directly to your meals for the week, meaning less waste and more savings. Whether you're meal prepping for lunches, dinners, or snacks, the AI-generated list ensures that you have all the ingredients you need in the right quantities for the meals you've planned. No more rushing to the store midweek or stressing about what to cook. With AI, meal prepping has never been easier. Now that you know how AI can help with meal planning and grocery shopping, let's take a look at a few real-world examples of AI-generated grocery lists. Whether you're following a specific diet or working within a budget, AI can create a list that fits your needs perfectly. First up, here's a grocery list for someone following a high-protein, low-carb diet. The AI includes items like lean meats, leafy greens, and healthy fats. This list makes it easy to stick to a low-carb plan while ensuring you're getting plenty of protein to support your fitness goals. Next, here's a grocery list for a vegan diet. You've got plant-based protein sources like chickpeas and tofu, whole greens like quinoa, and plenty of vegetables. These ingredients can easily be turned into nutritious, balanced vegan meals that will keep you energized throughout your week. Finally, here's a budget-conscious grocery list for a family of 4. You'll notice the AI suggests affordable, versatile ingredients like ground turkey, canned beans, and frozen vegetables. This list keeps costs down while still providing healthy, filling meals for the entire family. It's proof that eating well doesn't have to break the bank. Whether you're sticking to a specific diet, trying to save money, or just looking for a more efficient way to shop, AI can help you create the perfect grocery list in no time. With AI, meal planning and grocery shopping have never been easier or more personalized. And there you have it, an easy, stress-free way to plan your meals and create personalized grocery lists using AI. Whether you're sticking to a specific diet, meal prepping for the week, or trying to save money on groceries, AI takes the guesswork out of planning and shopping. Healthy, personalized, and budget-friendly shopping powered by AI. Now it's your turn. Try using AI to generate your next grocery list and let me know how it worked out for you in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I've got more tips coming up on how AI can simplify your everyday life. In the next video, we'll be diving into how AI can help create a plan for a weekend getaway. You won't want to miss it. See you next time for more everyday AI hacks.